Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com and order good art and art prints? You could do that at colinmullen.com. Thought I'd switch it up for once. Anyway, hey, how are you guys doing? This week, I didn't get that much game dev stuff done. A lot of it was due to the fact that I've just got some weird stomach thing going on right now. I don't know what it is, but I've got like a casual but constant case of nausea going on. And it makes it very hard to just sit at my computer and not want to throw up. So when I wasn't streaming and such, I would usually not be near my computer. And so that did limit the amount of time that I actually had to work on this. As well, the card game part of the game is currently stalled out as I realize what I think the problem is, and it's kind of boring to talk about, but it's the way the signaling works in Godot, I'm pretty sure, and I think it's something I can probably fix today, so I might work on that some today. But anyway, as far as what actually I did for the game this last couple of weeks, mostly it was shaders and adding more trees and making the trees look more, I guess, right for the area. I realized that there was something wrong with the aesthetic. And if you look at the previous VODs, so the way the trees are, they are shaped like trees that you would find in Texas, short but wide. Because those are the kind of trees that survive here. Tall, long, big trees do not exist in Texas. But the area that I'm kind of trying to emulate using, or with this game, is kind of the area that we live in now, which is a lot more hilly and has a lot more, trees, and the trees grow taller and skinnier, but grow in huge groups rather than these like one tree for miles kind of thing. And that is a completely different art aesthetic, it's a completely different look. And so I'm gonna have to redo all the trees that I've done, but the trees that I'm doing near the house here are looking pretty good. I also think I need to probably do the inside of the house, and that has been something that I've been doing some thinking on. I'm thinking a little bit Studio Ghibli, very kind of messy, but not a lot of stuff, but all of it is very wholesomely antique. And if it's not wholesomely antique, then it's simple. I think that that's the aesthetic that I'm going for. This is going to be a comfy game. It's going to deal with some difficult topics, but I think that by the end, I hope that this gives you some, insight into my thoughts and insights into who I am. I really enjoy the idea of being able to craft an experience that is super encompassing in the way that video games are. Art, you have a dialogue with it in your own head. You sit there and you look at it. But with we're talking about canvases or whatever, but with video games, I don't know, we've gone over this before, but I just love the idea of video games as an art form, and I'm just going to continue to padding away at this. But those are my notes on what I did here as far as the art stuff goes. Are these game dev vlogs, good? Do you guys enjoy this? I don't know. You'll have to tell me in the comments whether or not this is interesting information or if this is just stupid. I'm enjoying it anyway, and I'm enjoying talking about my process, because this is where I am artistically right now, is making games, just because it makes too much sense for me. It's a way to be creative in a way that is an experience for people. It's straightforward. It means a lot to me, and it just makes so much sense. I can't express it in any better way. This is why I have to do art and stuff, is because I'm bad with words and I don't know how to talk good. Anyway, thank you for listening to me not talk good about art and such. I need to thank the people on patreon.com that are supporting me at the $5 tier or more, because they're the people, everyone who's supporting me on Twitch, on Patreon, on Ko-fi, whatever you're doing. But I mean, also this one of the rewards for being a patron. Anyway, thank you to my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you, Wabfu. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Skelecorgi. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Retrograde. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Micah. Thank you, Mario Pereira. Thank you, Kayla Hollinger. Thank you, Katie Valent. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Bep. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aggie Wag. And thank you, Ats! Made sure I shut the window before I did that. Just, you know, I mean, it's a nice day out. It's a nice day. It's beautiful in Maine. And I'm just going to enjoy the trees while they still have a couple leaves left in them. And take some more pictures and get some more references, because soon we're going to be locked inside with the cold, and I'll have all the time in the world to work on this. So when that happens, I will see you there. And in the meantime, thank you for watching and supporting me.